Okay, it's super early in the morning, about 5:30. Slept in some trees up in there, and I put my tent down. Like, security guard came out to like turn on things and stuff. I'm pretty sure he saw me, but I think because he saw it was a gaijin and he was maybe not too confident with his English, he was just like chose to ignore me, even though he did walk pretty close to me. But he saw I was packing up anyway, so maybe they're used to people sleeping around here. So yeah, I'm going to go back to the castle and chill there for a bit. And got quite a long time until it'll be good hitching time anyway. Gonna eat some porridge and then chill. And yeah, try and hitch to Kamakura. Yokohama! Wander around. Like a better feel. I'm currently in a manga cafe. So today, what did I do? I walked a lot. I actually walked 20 miles or 32 kilometers. So I walked from Odawara to Oiso, and then I got the train to Hase, and I saw Kamakura, the big Buddha here, which is pretty cool. And then I walked to another shrine I've forgotten the name of. So many shrines. And then I got the train to Yokohama, and then I wandered around Yokohama. I went to Chinatown, which was pretty cool, and I had a good wander. And tomorrow I'll spend the morning in Yokohama as well. wandering around to see things I want to see as well. But yeah, it's been a good day, and I decided to put myself into this anime cafe. It's because I needed a shower and I need to charge things, and yeah, but it's been a good day. Yeah, I hope tomorrow's a good day as well.